West 301 North. Then exit right to US 92 East, I-4 East to I-75.
Good day, everyone. So we're gonna head to Orlando to get a dyno today. I'm just leaving Tampa. It is now 12:05 p.m. One of the worst mistakes I've made so far is trying to get to Orlando in the middle of the day. And as you can see right now, I-4 is crowded. It's going to be like this all the way into Orlando.
To exit 82B South Street.
For my many trips to Orlando, I expected nothing short of the absolute worst in I-4 traffic. During this phase of my trip, I spent most of the time rambling and ranting away about Florida's crazy drivers and the traffic situation. Had I left the night before, grabbed a hotel and some snooze time, I wouldn't be having any of those issues, but for several reasons that plan fell through to the floor. As I progressed along, the traffic seemed to be moving but was nearly backwards, as the faster traffic seemed to always be on the right lanes and the slow on the left. This is the reverse of how it's supposed to be, but this is Florida. I started to wonder if I would make it to my appointment, which was at 2 p.m. I wanted to arrive early enough so that I could let the car cool off before the baseline runs, so I started to speed up here. You can see the cars on the left lane and lots of space on the right lanes. See? I told you, this is Florida. It's backwards. Apparently, I wasn't the only one upset with the traffic, as there was a guy in a gray Kia behind me giving lots of cars the birds.
There's a guy behind me in a Kia. He's all frustrated. I look, man, if I had the camera turned backwards, if you guys could see this guy behind me, oh my God, he's going nuts. He's flipping cars off, flipping people off. He's been back and forth behind me, you know, in and out of cars because, you know, he's just like me. Left lane should be the fast lane. Everybody else is just like poking along. I'm gonna get behind that guy. All right, maybe I'll follow him. What gets me is everyone gets right back in the left lane, right behind more slow driver, because I don't know why, but everybody that wants to drive slow, they get in that lane. And all the space is over here, as you can see. There's not a lot of cars over here. There's some exits, but there's not a lot of cars. But once you get out of the areas where there's exits, where you can exit to small towns like Lakeland and, well, Lakeland really is a small town. It's a medium size. Lakeland, you know, or, and, you know, all the Winter Haven and all that, it kind of clears up a little bit. Traffic kind of clears up. So right now, all you can do is just kind of mosey along at this speed, which it sucks. It really sucks. Oh my God, we got a bunch of BMWs coming up behind me hauling ass. Got, well, there's an Infiniti. Actually, this 5 Series was racing that Infiniti. I don't know if you can see it. He's coming up beside me here. Okay, guys, don't get behind me. I can't go fast. See, this is why I like I-4, because you always get somebody out here who likes to play. Unfortunately, I can't play because my car isn't fast. If I had my Nissan Sentra, it would have been a little bit different. I'm expecting the 5 Series to jump up behind me right now. But he's way back there. He's a couple of cars back. I don't think this Infiniti wants to run top speed. He just wants to play. He likes zipping in and out of cars. This is what I like to do. Nobody on I-4 goes top speed. But, you know, we zip in and out of cars to kind of keep the pace going. Let's see if I can keep up.
Stop at shoulder ahead.
Right. See if he can squeeze through there. I doubt it. Yeah. Zip. Zip and go. Come on. Make a way for us, man. Come on, make a way. This Beetle's stopping me. Oh, we left the BMW in the back. Go ahead, brother. Make an opening. There you go. I'll let you zip while I just cruise. There you go, brother. Open it up. This is what I like. If somebody gets in the lead, they open all the ways. Sometimes I get in the lead, I open all the ways. How? I don't know, buddy. I don't know. I'm not gonna follow you in the right lane. You can go ahead and stay over there. I'll stay over here. Traffic's moving pretty good. Now I got the Beetle. I got the Volkswagen Beetle following me. I don't know what happened to the BMW. He's back there somewhere.
At this point, traffic was really moving along and I was making pretty good time. My ETA had dropped well over half an hour and I felt I was going to make my appointment. And as you can see, I was having quite a bit of fun behind the wheel getting there.
Motherfucker. Damn it. Well, that's what happens sometimes, you know. Damn, they squeezed through and I didn't get to. I hate that shit, man. I really do. But see, this is a classic example. This is a classic example of what happens. Somebody in the left lane is poking along. I guess I'll get over. I'll make a way for myself later. But I gotta catch back up. I hate that. Well, see, the funny part is, the fun part is, once you slow down and you lose your rank, you're done. Because they're gonna keep getting away. The cars in front of you, they're gonna keep getting away. All right, Mr. Beetle, you were following me. You were following me. Yeah, that's right. Speed up. Let's go. Where's the BMW? He was coming. Oh, there he is. He's back there. Now, if you're going to be in front, I'm going to push your ass. If not, you got to move over. All right. So, since you don't want to lead, I'll lead. Damn, I lost the Infiniti. I hate that. I lost my rank.
So I've made it to Orlando at this point, but the traffic was nearly at a standstill. From here, the destination was only 26 miles away, and I made it in time for a cool down. Here, one of the operators is positioning the Protege onto the dyno. The car had to be backed in because this was a Mustang all-wheel drive dyno. After the car was secured with the safety straps, another brief cool down period followed. Then the baseline run began.